Hey everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Lore again today. I'm going to teach you how to fix Elevenlabs unusual activity detected problem for free, so be sure you stay throughout the whole video so you don't miss any steps. Hope you will like this video and subscribe to my channel Tutorial Lore. Let's go for how to fix Elevenlabs unusual activity detected problem. First, you have to open the Elevenlabs website, and if you have some money, go to the accounts and then buy any packs. It's help you to solve your Elevenlabs usual activity detected. Now, if you are using any weak VPN, so first disconnect it. You can't use Elevenlabs with weak or not premium VPN because Elevenlabs not supported that. Okay, if your problem is still not resolved then, try closing all app first and then refresh your PC 3 to 4 times, and then press Alt+T plus FR and select Restart, and then click on OK and restart your PC. Maybe now your problem will be solved, but try disconnected any VPN. So this all in today's video hope. You must have understood that how to fix Elevenlabs unusual activity detected problem. There is no easier way than this. If you still don't understand anything, then you can comment. I will definitely reply to you or make a video on your topic. Hit the like button and press the subscribe drop a comment. Thanks.